Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on these rose gold squiggles. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'll be using Holo Taco One Coat Black, and for my design, I'm going to be using Rose Gold Pigment from Sally Hansen, and I'll be mixing that with a clear polish. Once you've got your base color applied, you can move on to the design. I'm going to be mixing my pigment a little bit at a time to keep it from getting dried out. And I'm just going to scoop out a little bit of this rose gold with a fan brush, tap it out onto this lid here, and then mix it with a little bit of clear. Once I've got it mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and start drawing the patterns on my nails. Once you're done with the design, if you have any areas you'd like to touch up, you can go back in with the same small brush you were using and a little bit of the One Coat Black. Once you're done with any touch-ups and any cleanup, you can go ahead and finish with top coat. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I was originally planning to do this design in gold, but the gold pigment that I had turned out to be too yellow, and when I tested this rose gold, it was a real winner. I also did quite a bit of testing on my little doodling skills in order to get squiggles that I thought I would be happy with, and I'm really pleased that it transferred so well onto the nail. If you'd like to see the testing process, that archive will be here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and of course, as always, thanks for watching.